Ziko tatu.
Kuna ile yenye imelala tena. Ozirabira ku buto obuto bubeera butono. Nomanye eyo chita. Naye kano kakyali kato.
Eyo nga nkulu.
Olaba chita enkulu omukira.
Kawulira nfu. Kali dedi rokalaba.
Kambwe kali kamaze okulia.
Okalaba.
Which include mountains, savannah marshes, thicket, some cities. Range widely distributed across tropical Africa. Zimeshasiba.
Hizi zenye tulikuwa tunaona huko kama hizi.
At least you can share that. But when it comes to feeding, again, they only eat on the meat. They're very, very expensive to look after.
About how many kilos?
This ones will eat between 8 to 10 kilos, the male ones.
Each?
Yeah, each of them.
Male?
Each of them, yes. Okay, come, let's pass. Sorry.
It's okay, sir.
Here. So these are the Yeah. Now for hyenas, you know that it is the women, the females ones, which are bigger than the male ones. And those ones actually they are better at hunting than lions.
So what do they feed on? Flesh only?
Yeah, meat, yeah.
Only?
But usually the meat we give them, make sure it has some bones in it, because for them they can also eat bones, and they can digest bones and other things.
These ones, they're just intruders, eh?
They can live together, I think.
And their digestion is also very, very tough.
Obunyonyi babuteekamu buteesi.
Tebufuluma
kati wano buyitawo.
We have the peacock, even the crested crane. Crested crane is over there. These yellow birds are called the seeds that are put down here. It's not. This is actually technically it's called a peahen. You know why? You see the feathers? It's not looking beautiful, isn't it?
The feathers are not.
They're not nice. They're not nice, isn't it?
It's not.
Come and look for a proper. If you can look up there, there is that one with the blue neck. You see that?